Hello everyone, this is Amit from Ecovisionnaire. This video is specially for school heads and school principals who continuously make efforts to improve the performance of their teachers and students. We at Ecovisionnaire help such schools to achieve their goals. We have been conducting Olympiads and helping our registered schools in improving their quality for 11 years now. So when you get registered with Ecovisionnaire, you get all the benefits of our registered schools, which we will discuss in the video later. So first of all, I'll give you the list of Olympiads we conduct, list of subjects on which Olympiads have been conducted. So till 2024, we conducted economics 11th and 12th, political science 11th, 12th, business studies 11th and 12th, and social science class 10th. This year, we are adding on accountancy 11th and 12th, social science class 9th, English from 9th to 12th, and psychology class 12th. We not only conduct Olympiads, we also conduct mock exam, teacher training sessions, career guidance session for students, stream selection session for students, and also give them mental health wellness sessions. All these sessions are free of cost for our registered schools. So the registered schools also get many benefits from Ecovisionnaire. Few of them are listed on the screen. So first we give the teachers study material and CBSE updates on official WhatsApp group. It is exclusively for registered schools. We also mail teachers worksheets, chapter-wise worksheets, pre-board papers, and other sample papers issued by CBSE. Our Olympiad paper is based on CUET, which helps students to prepare for the entrance exams beforehand. We also give our app access to all registered school students and teachers. Coming to workshops, we give free workshops and training sessions for registered school teachers. You all know CBSE has made mandatory for all teachers to take 50-hour sessions. So 25-hour sessions can be conducted by school, where our resource persons will come and help the teachers achieve this target. We also take subject-based sessions for students. We take career guidance session for students also. So I have few sessions which we have taken in our year 2024. These are the Olympiads in Muscat and Nigeria. Mock exam being conducted in a school by Ecovisionnaire. Free sessions this year for teachers at Geeta Bal Niketan School. A session on effective methods of teaching for teachers. A session on health and wellness at Modern Arya Public School. A session on adolescent development program at Rawal School. Teacher training session in Delhi on new education policy implementation at secondary level by Ecovisionnaire team. Free session for students in various schools. How to excel in economics at MET International. Career guidance session at Shah International Delhi and Gauss International Noida. Study abroad session at Astor Public School, Greater Noida. Mental health well sessions in various schools in Bulandshahr by our team. Online coaching session for weak students. And award ceremony for rank holders, best teacher and best schools. So to get all these benefits, register your school by filling the school registration form that I'll be sharing with you. For any other query, feel free to contact us on the given numbers. And teachers and principals, once you get associated with Ecovisionnaire, you will see a drastic change in the performance of your school. For any other query, mail us at ecovisionnaire@gmail.com. Take care. God bless.